That system passes overnight. The sky clears and sets us up once again for very cold temperatures and sub-zero wind chills tomorrow morning. We see a few clouds passing by tomorrow afternoon. Get the same forecast on Thursday with morning sun, afternoon clouds, temperatures near 20 and sub-zero wind chills at night. So kind of a rinse and repeat, as we've been saying. Take a look at this thing. This is a monster storm, but it is offshore. So it moves out to sea and doesn't really bother us as we head into Saturday and Sunday. That's the latest thinking on the guidance. But look, it's a close shave. So it's something that we're going to be watching very closely over the next couple of days to see if there are any potential impacts to the Susquehanna Valley from this storm. There is a high likelihood that there will be a nor'easter out to sea, but I don't think it's going to impact us. It's very low chance right now the way things are looking. So we'll keep you updated on that. But notice as we head into the weekend, temperatures moderate a little bit. Next week, we see some improvements with highs finally getting to freezing or just above for the first couple days of February.